Hey guys, Internet Dude here. Hey, check out the car. It's a lot cleaner than it was in that previous video. It's not super clean, but it's definitely better. So in this video, I just wanted to show you a problem that I'm having with my door, the left rear door. Now, I really don't have problems with the doors, and the car's almost 3 years old. So I'll just show you first here on the passenger rear door what normally happens. So the window drops down a little bit, just like that. So this one's working just fine. So we'll come over here to the driver's side rear door, and this is the one that I'm having an issue with. It seems like the glass is not coming down very far, if at all. And the door just pops a tiny bit when I pull on the handle. Then I kind of got to pull on it a second time. So we'll try it here. Okay, it's a little different this time, but you can tell the glass is not coming down far enough for sure. The last couple times I tried this, the door didn't actually open all the way. It just unlatched itself a little bit. So it will be noisy now when I close it. Yeah, see, the glass wasn't down far enough, and it didn't actually close nicely. There's that gap there. Ooh, the glass doesn't sound good. Let's try it again. Okay. Now it seems to be working. Now the car sat outside a fair bit today. Right now it's minus 19 Celsius. It's a bit on the cold side. So it could have been temperature related, I'm not sure, but the other doors are fine. All right, well, the door seems to be working fine now, but all right. Well, anyway, I hope you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'd like to hear if you've had any problems with your doors. Thanks for watching.